Ebusianfo Edibraba, aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded will be notified. Ebusianfo me see Edibraba pa. They say there, nkrofo a omuka huna, omu push sa NDC agenda. Ena Kufuado nye MPP4 nye ejapade book ena kwen SSM ATS naso emaye penema MPP4 break the 8 Sankrofo nyina se aye kasa no omehu se Ghana akoto ye color TV e dey di black and white na sa black and white TV nso a Ghana fo akoje no ebedu fie no ye plucky TV na nya djuma enini ye ne Ebusianfo adentina da bia NDC ewa aban mu na calamities ACC aden ese ade bia se yempisa yen ho ye be kaya is it 4th June and that's 2nd June near see 2016 and that's 2015 matise na ye Wednesday plane crash helicopter crash nonso matise na ye Wednesday Afi nkrofo sorry from mufie essay omu ko akoye efeni say screening na screening we die Akufuado ewo ho no 8 years ya ye asem bia mba ho obia niwa obeka say wako screening na ebia oba ye kra no wonya tipaye obia ni wasao na the first time ajoma ma ba mu say oh opeso ye screening na say offer nkrofo into the military there nipa 6 straight up 6 at a go asem no wudwin wan wonti ase wudwin wonti ase ya ye bompa se yakopon de eba no sen even ya ye bompa kwa ase no meaning every mbai enti vimlady si me ka kire ye mpenifo ese nkrofo amawu no their blood will be on your hands. A stain. Spiritually, a stain. Now, Ebusianfo, is it not funny, say, 8 people were involved in a helicopter crash. Next day, presidency, we are declaring a national mourning. Say, all flags should fly at half-mast. For almost 3 days or so or more. Now, we all agreed, say, yes, Ghana for even every single Ghanaian soul is important. Obi bia Ghana ni bia no ni hu won faso. Na nipa 6 amuye mankwa amako wudie. Ebusianfo, the president doesn't deem it fit say as I say National Day of Mourning there. Say one day mpo there yemfa online microphone memory there bi. Vice President ye ka say onu oyo oba enti oba ne votimana she is going to remember the plight of women. She's going to be a women's advocate no. Onu so nyanka sai. En fa mo. In fact, endra kra asem no see no ne program I ekoso na ekoso sa. And now many ukasa no ye ready budget for the next year. They say nothing has happened. Their lives are not important. The nation moves on. And to say, who say there is differentiation in the value of human beings. Ghana say we are not all equal. Because upapa nye politician, and say unye NDC ni, and say unye abaye muntino, uwa we ukwa, and to be a born in humbain. And yes, sir. For let's go and listen to Vim Lady, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi, GhanaNsem TV GH. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment. I will reply. Cheers.
We have not been able to go back to 1 million, 1.2 million metric tons. And ye cocoa farms, say the Cote d'Ivoire for ye bino. Ye bordia farms, ye toast farms, ye confirm toast to be on Fibokina. Ye may home between now and the next 4 years, 2028. Not Pajamami, so take this as a major project. This is would you only small boy no Twari or Burkina Faso no. Young fat boy singing, this should be the blood of these 6 people. No, but we should not be in vain. Although me I say abusia for no must sue Ghana government, but it should not be in vain. Yan fast idea when yan say never again. President Mama friend see the boss who say, and I'm saying this me can't ko why sometimes because of politics until we make some of these policies laughable politics. It shouldn't be laughable. It should never be laughable. E ko no enya dey esrio. Ni nyina ye part of the job creation. Maybe NDC for na ehun said on be package and marketing here na aba be poli dey sre am nkoko keten. But we must create jobs. Enti if a boys in the omu kogu from planes, you say aban ye tuam kabusumi bia send 1,500 near the mamo 3,000 or 5,000 near the mamo kodo cocoa. In the next 4 years, Ghana will become #1 producer of cocoa in the world. And a Cote d'Ivoire for BTN. Let's do that, President Mama. I challenge you. President Mama, I challenge you. This is something I know you can do it, President Mama. I know you can do it. Baby, I unia President Kufuado NDC yena 1D1 for men to me deliver ninyina no. O men to me deliver bi, but men to me deliver ninyina. Take it up and say that if we necro, o be a front place in Sasio, e die yo o be jibe 1 million acres cocoa nkwa. 1,000 acres ye dua body nkwa. 1,000 acres ye dua ntosu nkwa. The entire stretch of a front place from Yeji. Eba ba besia ba mi si Yeji mpo white water no so abugina pom kromu. Fufu susola any a year first saying buipe yape any idea na even President Mama Krom Bole Salaga yo yiri sola tunaka e ho nyina baba di besi afram place atante achima gogo di kosi kwame danso di besi dambai di besi krache enkwanta bebi adua bayire yentum rantie ne maba woni nyinangum ye be ma 3,000 Ghana a month and 5,000 Ghana a month mo de mo no mo do cocoa na ebi do bode na ebi do banche. Ghana will become the net producer of food for West Africa. Your politicians will be way. I said, "Why make a President Mama onim?" Me, I've worked with President Mama before in Parliament. Onim, he knows this. But a political voice now one who can be oh win elections. South can ever win elections. You have to VAT, you have my influencer journalist, you know, can be my young. You have a microphone, no did atem. Me say president to be about good mind. Na don't say no go near him, papa. One day one gabi mo na tutu good na so nyama yenye Japan on e fa 2.5 contracts yenye we na sa omo ye ya natural kan na do free akona so. And na good vision. Na do opposition. Only na do kase papa no wa ye politics a change experience okuta ne Otsensema say he knows what the people need, what the public need. Onim the anti opposition for so long, and he knew what he had to do. But obetina kunyaso. Even in your for your takra no so person pamono. Nana do himself wanted to sack him but Copenhagen. Me say omu to me kwa cabinet. Mo ye cabinet pon ya anaga bi mo aba no ma bese mu. Nti cabinet decision na mu dey na ya to agu ye fa ba kokura say for that make it stay there. Enti President Mama, I challenge you. Don't listen to boys no more hono. Boys na try one share any yodium for no. Their name is not on the ballot, but their name is not in any history books. Oh, President Mama, ona udin also. Ye na Judin. Remember, President Mama, look at the faces of these young people. The faces of these young people, politicians be away to me, all power. So solving Ghana joblessness, Ghana unemployment. Now one solving the blood and the faces of these young people will haunt you forever in your dreams. In fact, it will haunt your children and haunt your grandchildren. So what to me so betting as a sank for life? What to me so betting ya the bois a sefata no way improving for life now so on ye. These are people's children. Omako 6 eko. Omo mugu hospital or their life may not be because nipa 6 so egu a friend saying a ventilator so ICU. Imagine. Oh, compared to Mayo, no one compare ICU intensive care unit. ICU. Oh, compared to Mayo. Jesus Christ. Now I say Dubai will be compared to Mayo, Boko ICU. Singapore will be compared to Mayo, Boko ICU. Malaysia will be compared to Mayo, Obe Prakoda ICU. We must NDC MPP way and this will be their politics. NDC MPP must come together near fair 90 from say never again. No politics near about joblessness, the unemployment. Yen can humum. But President Mama say or say why 1D1F no and yene a priority patcho President Mama fire priority. They doesn't make sense. Somebody kitten your priority. I may praise you say.
Any recommendations report no e de buy no nyina no mo gene sen Ghana for 0551563916 number si obetimi afre na waba dwumadi ne so the happy morning show and was good good morning do ni ba bia afre fio.
Yes, good morning.
Yes sir. Samson ba to me tio.
Me penifon be kan na bra me yidi.
O ade na wonyini.
Ghana ha. Oh,
Something that was any nkomo. Is it that you don't trust uni gidie e wo empanyimfo ni mu?
I don't trust them, bra. I don't trust them. Ghana ha.
Edent na woni omu di no.
Former IGP that time. You see what I was so born one. Or the who I report about.
Ebisano eno dey say bad dada kra report bad dada any issue white paper
omo ameka to ajaje omo ameka so Ghana any say empani phone oh ye dey report baba
da bi onyanto bo ase orafi emo short committee omo ye mu hwehwemu ya waso west bugon committee omo ye mu hwehwemu e dey ho report e ba betu dwa e ma as of the time there was a white paper that was issued orafi
Bajefa me Ghana ha me see omo fa ayi fene kan eti omo be ko no mu nim se ne ma nye
Happy FM.
Bajefa me ni mo bi o Ghana ha wo mpanifo no sa on be keka bo fa kesa ni ni pan wo ko taja je me de me nyomu ni no omo awe keka nyina abra me de me nyomu ni omo agu ya na eku omo ya omo nka no kre oh that's Bajefa
Samson mama na wase Samson comprise yanko good morning udi ba bia frefio.
Good morning sir
Michael Clagon bachomienti wadarma
but on I say report human error bianca anya yes sir
me bacho human error bianca
but na papa no so kasa no wasi sanka train no nyama bi ewo mu a saka otumi tuko wiem mo na tamo ohun ne mo na eno
no the functionality of the helicopter eno bi na enim
into one attack or do kwakoshe because you can say I can bring akodi mu no say utop pray now say I say what this shame no e bi mu a e wo mu a e di bi hye e ka ho ana me bo in that dey na mo atwen am fa kwakoshe na dey because me say you see wa wo ye pray na chiro bre won say obetimi di aba na wo de sa nyama na aka na ahye na wo mo e kan say o ye twen kakra ana nyesa
the manufacturer gave an extension the manufacturer na ka say okay ebre no a e wo sen ka mo de ba em service no aso de na mom obetimi asan ayusu eye plane no for a particular period of time after which obetimi di aba
because because I didn't know what my say you may before any prepare the tunnel so whether for Emma report and another the report now only me say okay me too I say me go through see and another see what I say the report say whether because of that I say me too 8 o'clock me too 9 o'clock. In the sense, I am say, okay, you are 2 9 o'clock, then to them I 2 9 o'clock. Where down in the in the course and I have them. The fact my one catch say, my Robian, yes, one some review now, with it. Right.
Michael Clago, Mamma was young, good morning, didn't be a review. Mala made him patch on soon, saying, what are you saying?
Michelle, Namicha, what is it? Or may a fresh pneumonia exercise. One ma won decide say yes saying alcohol in for owu so ma social who are 7 out there to board say and this if how ma we are saying serious ala diva o my a friend say I sorry die and incremo die ayemu ma and 2-3 years na yesu jenny ni wo yesu amu ni wo yesu ni wo and there ebu wo ama ye next can fan to won fa plan bi amba steady e be nya hu bi ato ya no ma bra ma don Dubai a se bi essay ya ba abai de tinya hwe mi anu o se hwe ni ana wo nyama ya to won bi to nyama wo ifa won bi to o hwe nyama won bi to
many man
won bi to a so no so I see which ọmọ ọmọ full play ko wu ọmọ ta maso na mo wu sa na yen kan ko ka no mo ba ye hwe ye ntiasefo e ya ọmọ ya asọrọ dan eni kan mu dan aye mu ma bia ye asọrọ dem enso sabi nya ade na ko dia chega na bo pa da magana na mo wa de ade na ko pa stadium te go sa asio the farm office out the abancha e ti won wa
I don't know watermelon na fifi wa jira bebre
e wo office chanta akra na se bi de bia ti won yi su eduane ebu manto omo ade eduane so ye nyi obi ma na eduane momo bia na ka basta bye bye
o de anopa no sa no wa charge yenkwa good morning din ba bia free view yes sir
Ghana for the keyboard
sir
oh man the keyboard is good me find to na baba wa just oh na be go ko si o be ko ba ni da o ka ta se e di ni o be so bu da ya e be dia go na black boss ru e no report na mo ba ya
black box no de yesi ye de beko ama manufacturers no atimi aboa na eho nsem no yetumi age ediaba enti we no hwehwemu no efa
how can you do investigation without a black box
ampacho how de me terms of reference no of course and I duly respect the questions that you're asking, and that's why I like callers I am afraid into the show.
Because there's a thorough investigation. I know behind the time, I think there's the time. Now, what was the black box? It takes years or months to do the investigation. So where are we about? So we accept the finally. This is the final investigation. What are we talking about? Yeah, who cried too much. We will find a black box. We will send a black box to South Africa. Some was about my way and a remove that. That's what I'm talking about. But I'm a service. We should do further. Please. Thank you.
Mama, no, I say legitimate questions. Yankwa, good morning. Didn't you have a Bright, I was so kind. Bright, but you mean to Adama.
Good morning. I was so kind for night, Papa.
Yeah, I was so kind for you.
My main chair, honorable DGP, enemy MC, our my center, honorable Franklin Cancer. Only a young one, baby. Then illiterate about assembly praying class, is here. By yes, you see a common sense, Kakra, near the Akasa found. Because say I mean a baby say yes black box and sana e be hu bibia no just e bie sa black box and also na hu de course e we wiem by sisia no ya report bi e na e de abetu o keke yes weather enya inti time plane e tu no na weather ne eye e na omuma plane tu ya na won shrimp before omunim de se fata ma omunya o ma twin se bia omu ye fast eche Ghana for na echi onum no because bebre wo also omako school eche omu ti o ye akonya bi e na aba ma omu akotina ho ona bu sifa mesrew enne ye se ekolanchi nkukon kitinkiti e wo Kumase me visa agric minister commander sugar factory no akosi sen ye kolanchi policies fufuro bi na nyoma e wo dada no ye hwe na ndi wo adwuma emfa magana for commander sugar factory ye besre harriskofi Ipacho nya ono ni agric minister
but commander sugar factory enye ensanase it's a trade ministry ase
Enti omumbo modern as a commander sugar factory ni betimi aye adwuma factory ni edan ruemu e na pro say enso e the taxpayers money e na akosi sa factory no ye ba ye nya say obi a commander sugar factory once ana ye yi adwuma free so say enche room na ense ti said ya banda factory bebre she room no mana. It does.
I mean, I say, young good morning, didn't be a review.
On my for Sefada one.
We a buy a Bobby.
Our catapult.
A Zenu a Shyman.
Sefana one.
Or by the other one, I was where.
I am it. But so.
Jinaye.
Okay, this year.
I come a young
Yo. I'm say topic amumai pawe muhia timemuni bia sefa said me blɔɔders bia kan sefa committee no information no omunya free sefa
abai
me see report amu de betu dwa amu be ye hu press conference nda report
Osi ahin ne free.
Omunya information no
And omo information omo ko site or omo echo communication between the
sefa eto asumu
mame enra aban enra papa no eka asasem ne penam hu se me senior journalist bi e dey akwakoto Facebook and oka say this is not tenable but
sefa ya wusemo say ye nyina Ghana ni bi nyina twen say bebie blackboard box no ama ye hu eniema ekoso eye presi ana meboa obia blackboard no enti blackboard na munya bie mu ade ekoso ade abde indra no na mu pese ye ntimamufo ye din sefa enyema bi wo ho a eye mpanyi aye kiye comfort granted o sefa ade ensinu eye nkrofu adofu na ekono sefa nkrofu adofu papa aya na di relationship aye ni ebi mu wo no kenne eni bati yo enti ade ekosu accident ni ma ta mpanifo nyina hweomu ya mpeke bi beti bio enu tika ya bi nyina ya expect say be die black box no ni wu ade ya tu plane crash no na mu be ka ni clear ta say weather na mu ka say weather ni nye no one the man with information without the option of them boss sefa nyaminka yenina
abai abobi zenu mame na wase yankwa good morning dindu abia frefi
Honorable.
yes sir Sakura Azumje Count mouthpiece of Oblikuma Central
Media chama do bi anchanu anopai mami fa kudi anchia Miami MC and Honorable Alhaji Akondo former MP Honorable Secretary Michiana anopai Papa check ama Israel bibwa check ama Israel kama Israel
kama Israel
yenja bibi ama kama
ta
yo kama Israel ye yenja bibi ama kama
okay
pa sena abai bisaye if no mukwanya fa report me say the weather na a cause problem
so to be frank with all of my listeners in mu amutie ye nyina no all the conversations that we are having are based off and someone ora for jodi tudwa ama ye nyina ye TB that's obviously a snippet of the report to say menya a full report to have known where they accessed all of the information on the brain from no I will be a liar
full report full report in MP answer
I mean that's what I would suggest because for me I thought that
sana dia wo ye be done wo bibia on say sana ukanu mi nye bias mi pese make fa nye bias wo de ye fan ku bibia wo full report no ba na ya discuss it about Vati Asema Yakan was a most say and mu the same a program. The some other tina on my
Monday.
Yeah, Monday discuss one.
Yes.
Yeah, try a duaba. A drone you suda. You get described this young fan call be beat name yen shot drone it was a month for no more. Doesn't make sense. In the first place, we have who did the to a month for psychology? Who did the to Omar Jununu? On back at us some pay. Also, because I said, yes, I said, was parliament. One day who say, oh, one day who say, health minister, science, the shit, no about public, a drone, me, my work, me, my work, me, look, say, for work. Olukura ebe ma for enya gide wo se vaccine bia beba nota omo be ti sa shisha ma for obi ampie ye du won kwara wo pipi na se o be ti sa obi am pese on fa ni banko na enwo enya ade no so ebua se fa wo be tu kwan wo
Ose
a final Ubo and Ubo.
oh maybe
We bet that for big without a you. I'm ready, sir.
me say my main cancer me draw
Because you do one, they won't answer one room.
my main cancer me draw me could feel more mutala mo for the Abuja na me go edwuma bi wo na me draw na me rafi baby na me na ma ye catcher me say me messing ko Abuja no na me passport wo ho de nti mo ha na send me say o ticket ni bomodiana bra ene ya at about even say bia 6 p.m. Ghana time me do by 7 p.m. na say we do Abuja me do nti me na yeah me nkobo yellow fever ni bia because card ni bi ni ha nti me nkonko wura airport wo nzo mo ye bi wo na me nkonko me hia na msichali ma me ko ya me drew airport wa na airport security ni back omo me check it out the hu ya na say aba jina me chen omo you're from Ghana I'm say yes you don't have your yellow fever card I'm say ane oh je me 1,000 naira